After the adjustments, the places what you like adjusted, they were a little sore.
Sure.
But otherwise, I did not have back pain.
You ready for me?
I am.
Sure. Let's do this. That's 2 more.
Oh, that's
Spicy, crunchy, sacrum and pockets adjustments.
I think we got 1 more in the coccyx and we're done with the coccyx. We'll continue on sacrum. It's a baby one.
Yeah.
I am gonna have to want this side. That's the rest. Gotcha. Did you feel anything crack or twist in your upper back?
No.
Very good. Sacrum. That's the home run. Sacrum is clear. You're all set.
Very good, thank you, doctor.
You're very welcome, madam.